We are learning chord inversions in the key of B flat. This is a B flat, and we are learning the chords inversions. First thing first, you want to make sure that you've learned your piano scale in this key, right? This is gonna be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that you've learned that, and you've learned that not only with your one hand, but also you've learned the root chord of this 1 up to 7. Know this notes. This is your foundations. If you have not learned this, make sure that you learn that, because otherwise this is not gonna make sense. Now that you've learned your piano scale in the key of B flat, let's learn the chord inversions. And first thing first, we're gonna learn that using only our our right hand, because on our left hand we're still playing the same scale 1 up to 7, but on our right hand still playing the chord triads, still using our 3 fingers. We're gonna be playing, like for instance, this is your 1, and I'm gonna show you how you can play your 1 in other ways, right? And that's what we call the chord inversions. So you're gonna have 2 inversions for each note that we're gonna be playing from 1 up to 7. So after you've learned that with your right hand, we're gonna play that with both hands, just so you can see how it sounds. And then the last thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna demonstrate, as we always do, using a song, so that you can see that actually you can use what you are learning to play a song. Let's get started. This is your root chord of 1. This is your first inversion of 1. We are still on 1. This is your second inversion. Let's do that again. Root chord of 1, first inversion, second inversion. Now let's go to 2. Root chord of 2, first inversion of 2, second inversion of 2. Let's do that again. Root chord of 2, first inversion of 2, second inversion of 2. Let's move to 3. Root chord of your 3, first inversion of your 3, second inversion of your 3. Now let's move to 4. This is your root chord of 4. This is your 4 root chord. Yes, first inversion 4. We're still on 4, and this is your second inversion. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Now let's move to 5. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. I'm gonna do that again. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Now let's look at 6. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Let's do that again. We're on 6. Root chord of 6, first root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Now is our last note, or our last chord, diminished 1, 7. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. So that again. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Now let's play the notes with both hands, right? I'm gonna be playing the chords and the notes on my left hand as well. So 1, first inversion, 2, 2, root chord, first inversion, root chord of 3, first inversion, second inversion, record of 4, first inversion, second inversion, record of 5, first inversion, second inversion, record of 6, first inversion, second inversion. The last one, 7, record, first inversion, second inversion. And I know I'm busy repeating myself here like a crazy man, right? Whenever I go to each note, I'll say first inversion, second inversion, because I want you to get used to that, and I don't want you to forget that, hey, this is your record, this is your first inversion, and this is the second inversion of 6. Now let's play a song. We're gonna play the song progression, and we're gonna do Yeshua, the song Yeshua, right? It's a worship song, gospel worship song. Gonna do Yeshua. Gonna first use the root chords, and then secondly we'll use the first inversion, and then thirdly we'll use the second inversion. You just still playing the song, and then lastly we will mix this up, right? And then you will hear how it sounds. It's gonna sound nice. This is gonna be fun. Let's start. Yeshua, and we're playing the root chords. Remember, we're still in the key of B flat. Yeshua. Now let's use the first inversions. Yeshua. Let's use the first inversions again. First inversions only. Yeshua. Now let's use the second inversions. Yeshua. Let me come back one octave. Yeshua. We're still in the same song progression. The progression has not changed. We just changed the inversions. Now let's mix them up. That sounds nice, eh? Let's do that again. So this is how you use your chord inversions whenever you are playing, playing a song progression. And this is gonna help you. It gives you more options, right? Without actually going outside of that particular song that you're gonna be, playing. You don't have to go outside of the progression, but you can still, play the same song, but using more than one way of actually playing that same progression. Yeah, and this should make your play more fun. It should make your play more nicer, and I hope it helps, and I hope you get to use this in your playing going forward, and make sure that you continue on practicing. All right, cheers.